Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you how adding one or two very important ingredients in your breakfast smoothie will have you flush all that bloated big belly and have it all down. So the first very important ingredient is the middle of the pineapple. That is where that enzyme bromelain is. So this is an example. You just get your pineapple, peel the pineapple, and what you need is that middle of the pineapple. So you can slice up the pineapple and use in your drinks, other recipes, but what we need for the bloating is this middle part of the pineapple. So this is it. I got it from another recipe I was making and stored it for my bloating recipe. So if you're suffering from bloating, go for this middle part of the pineapple. It contains large amounts of fiber, and fiber helps you easily metabolize, break down, digest, and easily poo-poo whatever is stored up in your tummy. So this is the middle part of the pineapple. Slice it all up nicely. Very good for fat burning. That bromelain will tackle the bloating for you and have your belly all down. The second very important ingredient is prunes. This is very good. If you can't lay your hands on it, no, you can find it in the supermarket, Walmart, or if you can't lay your hands, I can link you up to get one for yourself. You just need 3 of these to add in your smoothie, and it takes you to your restroom in no time to empty the waste stored up, causing belly fat, causing bloating, and to take all the waste out, making your belly always bloated and big, and you have your belly all down, boost metabolism, and you easily lose fat, lose weight. So that is it. You can keep the remaining. All you need for your smoothie is 3 of it. So wash thoroughly and set aside. Very stimulating for metabolic. It stimulates your metabolism so fast. Another very good vegetable fruit you can add in here with each equally boost metabolism and soften your stool, send you to your restroom so fast, is papaya. So you just need 2 slices of these. So you divide your papaya in 4 portions and you need 1 portion of the papaya. So this is it. Peel, slice up. This helps to send you to your restroom in no time. Plus it is nutrient dense. Remember, you want something for breakfast that will leave in nutrients into your system, promote beautiful clear skin while helping you with bloating, boosting your metabolism so you don't store up food causing belly fat and weight gain. And this recipe particularly is to remove those stored up waste causing bloating, constipation, and making your belly always big and have your belly all down. So this is the amount I'll be using. Just slice up into some good little sizes and you're good to go. Yeah, papaya is very loaded with vitamin E to boost collagen for a beautiful younger looking skin as well. So the next thing I add is ginger. Ginger is very thermic. It heats up your system to burn fat so fast, heats up your system to easily metabolize whatever is in your system, storing up, causing bloating. The anti-inflammatory properties in ginger equally helps to relieve yourself of gases from the maybe kind of foods you eat, causing bloating and constipation, and have all that constipated big belly all down. Yeah, so this is it. Slice up your thumb size of ginger and yeah, you're good to go. A little amount, just a thumb size of it, and you're fine. Yeah. Now I'll be adding some cinnamon. We want everything that will easily provoke your system to release all that waste, and cinnamon is very good at boosting your system for digestion, boosting your system to burn fat, cleansing your organs, most especially your liver, to process the toxins and waste out of your system. This is very cleansing and detoxifying. So you just need to have a tablespoon of cinnamon. You don't need a lot of it, or a teaspoon is just fine for your smoothie. Have a tablespoon. That is what we'll be using. Now, in case you missed, that is a quarter size of pineapple of papaya, and this is the 3 prunes you put in there. Now you add in your ginger, your thumb size of ginger, and your half tablespoon of cinnamon, and the pineapple, the middle part of the pineapple. This is bomb. Like, this will do wonders to your system. This will provoke you to easily flush those stored up waste causing bloating, constipation, and belly fat as well. boost your metabolism. So this is something you want to have as breakfast. Starting your day with this is like having to boost your system for an active system. Like you boost your system to be very active and easily burn fat, easily flush your system while living in a lot of nutrients. Remember, these are fruits carrying so many vitamins and minerals you nourish your system with for utmost health. So this will double up to help you burn fats, cleanse your system up, leave your skin looking so beautiful as well, because these are nutrient dense fruits. So this is so yummy, so healthy, a very good breakfast alternative for you if you're looking to stay healthy with a beautiful body size. Have you this for breakfast, and trust me, it is equally so filling. So filling. You feel like eating by 3 o'clock. And that is our target. You don't want junk into your system. You want healthy food, and make sure you drink water as well. Yeah, drink water after eating. Each meal you take, make sure you drink enough water. Never substitute your water with anything. I talk a lot of on water when it concerns bloating, because if you don't drink water, you don't digest your food. There is no substitute for water. No other liquid is a substitute for water. So whenever you eat your food, this is a secret. Make sure you drink water after your food, not any other liquid. Any other liquid you want to consume should be an extra liquid, whether it is your coffee or juice, but those are not water. Water is it's a liquid on its own level to help you with digestion so fast. Yeah, unless it is a metabolism boosting tea you want to consume. Otherwise, it should be water, and trust me, you will maintain that healthy body size. Your belly will always be down. That bloated big belly will all be gone having this for breakfast, and you maintain a healthy body size. And trust me, this is the secret to beautiful skin, because this is loaded with nutrients as well. A secret to healthy looking skin, a secret to always being healthy. Like your skin will look good, your health will be at the utmost level. You will hardly have constipation, hardly have bloating. So this is a very healthy breakfast you want to share with your family and friends. Share with them, share with your kids. Prawns are healthy for kids as well. When my baby had constipation, and they gave, because she was taking formula plus breast milk, so the formula was giving my baby constipation, and doctors actually recommend prawn juice. So prawns are healthy for everyone. This is a smoothie which is very good for everyone, can consume it, not age limit. And yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.